Welcome students. Today our topic is electrostatic potential energy for collection of point charge. The electric potential at a point at a distance r from the point charge q1 is given by V is equal to k q1 by r. Here k is the constant of Coulomb charges, that k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Already we studied in our Coulomb's law. Then this potential V is work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Next one, the charge q2 brought from infinity to that point at a distance r. This can be written as work done equation. The equation is W is equal to Q2V. That is, work done is equal to product of charge and electric potential V. At the same time, this work done is stored as a electrostatic potential energy U. So this can be written as U is equal to Q2V. Already we know the value of V in equation number 1, that is k q1 by r. So substitute that value in here, we get U is equal to k q1 q2 by r. Here not a r square, just a printing mistake. So clear this. U is equal to k q1 q2 by r. For an example, the electrostatic potential energy depends only on the distance between 2 point charges. We are assuming q1 is fixed and q2 is brought from infinity. Okay, q1 is fixed, q2 is brought from infinity. Here the equation is 0 value. At the same time, q2 is fixed, q1 is brought from infinity, or q1 and q2 are both are infinity. Are you understand? q1 is fixed, q2 is infinity. That value of work done will be equal to 0. Otherwise, q2 is fixed, q1 is infinity, or q1 q2 both are infinity at a distance r between them. So the total electrostatic potential energy, bring all the charges one by one, arrange them as shown in figure. For an example, q1, charge q1 placed at A and q2 placed at B and q3 placed at C, separated by a distance r12, r23, r31. So the calculation of total electrostatic potential energy, bring all charges one by one, arrange them according to the configuration as shown in figure. Our calculation, first point, bring a charge q1 from infinity to the point A. Here no work done, because already we told q1 is fixed, q2 is infinity, the work done must be equal to 0. So q1 infinity to the point A requires no work done, because there are no charges already present in the charge Q1. Second charge Q2 to the point B. Work must be done against the electric field created by the charge Q1. Are you understand, students? Second charge Q1. This Q1 against the electric force to the charge Q2. The work done of the charge Q2 is written by W is equal to Q2 V1 B. This otherwise written as electrostatic potential energy form U is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R12, because the value of V in equation number 1. And the charge Q3. Work has to be done against the total electric field due to both charges Q1 and Q2. The charge Q3 is equal to V1C plus Q2C. That is, W is equal to Q3 of V1C plus V2C. Here always we substitute the value of V. We get the electrostatic potential energy formation U is equal to K of Q1 Q3 divided by R13 plus Q2 Q3 divided by R23. So this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. So substitute this value in total electrostatic potential energy for collection of point. We get the value U is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R12 plus Q1 Q3 plus R1 by R13 plus Q2 Q3 by R23 up to so on. That is Qn divided by Qnn. Thank you, students.